What up guys, Miguel here from Tech, and we are here in another Samsung Unpacked event. And it's July 9 by the time you guys are watching this video. In this video, I am checking out the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 along with the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 FE, which is launching alongside these two new flippable display smartphones. Quick highlights, they run on Android 16 with One UI 8 on top. And that's pretty sick. We'll be checking them all out briefly, so stay tuned. The Samsung Galaxy Z Flip7 refines last year's Z Flip6 formula in all the right ways. It's Samsung's slimmest flip ever, measuring just 13.7mm thick when folded and 6.5mm when open. It features a sleek profile that easily slips into a pocket or clutch bag with ease. It weighs no more than 188 grams, but its overall build quality still feels solid and premium. We get Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection for the cover display and rear panel, a redesigned hinge that feels smoother and more durable than any of the past iterations, and an aluminum frame for that nice metallic feel when in hand. Ingress protection remains the same as last year's model, so the Flip7 is also IP48 certified. Color options include jet black, blue shadow, coral red, and mint, which is a Samsung.com exclusive. Another notable change in the Z Flip7's build are its dimensions. It's 1.7mm longer and 3.3mm wider than the Z Flip6, which may not sound like much on paper, but the difference is definitely noticeable in person. This year's Flip gets a massive upgrade for its cover display, or how Samsung likes to call it, the Flex window. It's now a 4.1-inch Super AMOLED panel that we can use from edge to edge and gets a peak brightness of 2600 nits and features a refresh rate of 120Hz, making it the biggest and brightest cover screen so far from Samsung's Z Flip lineup. From checking our rides ETAs to replying to messages, using widgets, or snapping selfies, the Flex window is more capable than ever. It also now supports Google Gemini Live, the Now bar, and Now Brief for real-time app activity, personal updates, and AI-powered answers right from the Flex window. Flip it open and we're greeted by a 6.9-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X display, which is pretty much fancy talk for an LTPO AMOLED panel, which allows the display to go from 120 to 1 Hz when idle to save on battery life. Oh, and just like the Flex window, it gets a peak brightness of 2600 nits. Just like any SAMOLED phone display, it looks sharp with vibrant color reproduction and inky deep blacks. Samsung also mentioned that these display panels offer more efficiency thanks to R&D refinements and the use of AI to manage brightness intelligently, so that's cool. In terms of hardware, for the first time ever, a Z Flip device is powered by an Exynos chip, specifically the Exynos 2500, Samsung's latest 3nm flagship chipset that a lot of people are happy did not make it to any of the S25 series models. They boasted that it's packing in a more powerful CPU, GPU, and MPU than last year's Exynos 2400, and with our time testing it on the Z Flip7, it doesn't really seem to be much of an issue so far. For configurations, we get 12GB of RAM across all variants offered here in the Philippines. There are only two storage options to choose between, which is 256GB and 512GB of UFS 4.0 storage. We were not able to run benchmarks on the floor, but we can say that we didn't really run into any bugs or lags with our time with any of the devices. For software, the Z Flip7 runs on One UI 8 based on Android 16, which brings some refined UI animations and a suite of Galaxy AI features like Gemini Live, the Now bar, and Now Brief, which we all previously mentioned. There's also Photo Assist and Portrait Studio, and in typical Galaxy Z Flip fashion, we have multiple ways to take advantage of the Flex display with all its Flex modes, which users can use for multitasking, tripod-free selfies or video streaming, and even camera use. Another cool thing to mention is the Z Flip7 is the first in the lineup to now give its users DeX support. Samsung DeX is the feature that pretty much turns our Samsung phones into desktop computers via a wired or wireless connection to a monitor or TV. Samsung also promised 7 years of software and security updates with this year's Z Flip and Fold models. For optics, the Z Flip7 features a 50-megapixel main sensor that notably gets dual-pixel autofocus and optical image stabilization baked in, with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide sensor right next to it. And there's a 10-megapixel selfie camera when unfolded. For those interested in seeing sample shots, take note that these were taken with engineering units, so we won't judge image quality just yet, but here's a quick look. For battery, Samsung crammed in a 4300 mAh dual-cell unit, the largest battery ever in a Z Flip smartphone. Charging is rated at 25 watts wired with fast wireless charging 2.0 support and wireless power share. Surprisingly, Samsung also introduces the Z Flip7 FE alongside the Z Fold 7 and Flip 7. It's Samsung's new fan edition foldable, offering much of the Flip experience at a more affordable cost. Key specs include a 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Dynamic AMOLED 2X main display, a 3.4-inch Super AMOLED cover screen, the Exynos 2400 chipset, 8GB of RAM with either 128 or 256GB of internal storage, a 4000 mAh battery capacity, the same dual rear camera setup as the Z Flip 7, and the same ingress and glass protection as well. The Flip 7 FE is available in black and white. Another way of thinking about it is it's the Galaxy Z Flip 6.5, and we hope to explore more in a future video. Pre-orders for both models run until July 31 with general availability starting August 1. Those who pre-order get a free storage upgrade worth 8,000 pesos. And pricing details are on screen. And those were the new Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 smartphones that launched today. Let us know what you guys think about either the Z Flip 7 FE or the normal Z Flip 7 in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, found it informative, educational, or even just a little bit fun, be sure to smack that like button, subscribe to our YouTube channel, hit that bell icon so you get notified of our future uploads. Be sure to visit ukitech.com and follow us on all our social media platforms. That's Facebook, Instagram, X, and TikTok for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, Miguel, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 7 and the 7 FE over here. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.